Welcome to Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our project name is Design and Development of an Earthquake Resistant Building Model. My name is Tejal Bharat Pawar in 12th from Champavati Junior College.
My name is Khushbu Ramesh Zada.
My name is Komal Arjun Rathod.
My name is Vaishnavi Shwancham.
My name is Namrata Nami Sarbakate.
Our project information to design and develop a model for building that can withstand seismic activity, demonstrating the principles of an earthquake architecting using an innovative Swadeshi inspired approach. Our project concept: earthquake generates a ground vibration that can severely damage buildings. Our model demonstrates how structural designs, material selections, and foundation engineering can minimize damage. The building is constructed to absorb the seismic energy, maintain stability, and prevent collapse during tremors.
Importance of the project. Our project demonstrates how structure can be designed to absorb seismic force, remain stable and protect two occupants, emphasizing practical solution that be obtained to apply in real building.
Let's see how our model will help. The model also emphasizes the importance of the flexible structural system and energy dissipating element which adapt to the ground motion. Ultimately, this model illustrates the resistant design is just not a technical solution. It is a social and economic necessity that can protect communities, reduce disasters. Benefits of our project: safety awareness, Swadeshi innovation, and community impact.
Let's see how our model works in real buildings. This project serves as a practical awareness to illustrate showing that the even simple solution, innovative solution, and significantly reduce the impact of seismic activity. These projects inspire the architects, engineers, and local builders to adopt the safer construction practice, and in long term such that can knowledge lead to hospitals, schools, homes, and public buildings, minimizing economic losses and the sustainable development in earthquake prone area in India.
Thank you.